Wirral's answer to the Niagara Falls. This is the head of the Heswall dungeon. If you look at the previous video about Heswall dungeon, you'll see the cave. Here is the head of it. Obviously this stream over the centuries, the millennia, has eroded this valley through the sandstone to create the very steep little valley of Heswall dungeon. We have had quite a bit of rain recently, but it has been a bit drier, so obviously it's not at its full force. As far as I know, and I may be mistaken, but as far as I know, this is the highest waterfall in the Wirral, our answer to the Niagara Falls. It's a very peaceful spot here. You can see the steep-sided valley, and it's really good at this time of year when all the leaves are green. Okay, catch you later.